Good morning from sunny Cove. It's milking time. Let's go see what's happening down in the barn. Why are you bottle feeding this one?
Just to make sure she gets colostrum. She's almost had the whole thing.
Was she just born last night?
Well, she wasn't bored at 5 p.m. last night when I did chores, so. I mean, her milk field's still wet, so I would guess probably early this morning.
So sweet.
Dad says he thinks we should call her cream puff.
That's a good name for her. Here on the farm, we milk once a day. We do chores in the evening, but those only take about an hour. And you can see it's a pretty simple process. Usually Kelby milks by himself. Sometimes Farmer Jerry's there. And then they have to do like chores where everybody helps out, cleaning the heifer pens and the cattle pens. But in the summertime especially, it's a pretty straight, simple job, and the biggest thing is milk quality. So one thing that Kelby's always paying attention to is the health of our animals, and making sure that not only are we testing, but also we're looking at and observing anything that's out of the ordinary. And if something's out of the ordinary, the animal gets pulled or observed further or tested, and that way we can prevent illness as soon as it strikes, because illness will happen. But what's important for us is always isolating the animal so that their milk is not commingling in the milk that we're selling. So it's a pretty cool system that Kelby has. And we also are very preventative forward. So we have free choice minerals that we feed the cattle, high quality feed, sunshine, being out on pasture. That all makes a difference in the health of your herd. And Kelby does a great job with that. And our milk quality is always right on point. And not only do we test with New York State, but we have third-party testing and individual cow testing. So it's awesome. I'm so happy to be a part of the milking operation and the dairy industry in this way. I love selling raw milk and selling it to families like you guys, and knowing that it's clean and whole and contributing to your healing. It's amazing. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I look forward to doing more of these vlogs. Let me know in the comments if there's something you want to see on the farm. Have a great day, everyone.